What's up, y'all? I'm Adrian Williams, and
I'm Jamie Schehr.
And today we are making
Mediterranean turkey burgers.
Yum. I would say something like this is good for after an intense workout.
Yeah, I mean, I love a burger, and this burger in particular is really high in protein, really lean, less saturated fat than a traditional burger.
Sure.
We're gonna throw in a whole bunch of herbs and ingredients to pack some flavor in there, so let's go.
What are we starting with?
So you have a quarter cup of red onion.
Quarter cup of red onion.
You're gonna put right here into our food processor. You can also chop it at home if that's better for you.
I prefer chopping. There's something about the task I like.
All right, well, Adrian's
we're not doing that today.
We're gonna put it in the food processor. Next, we're gonna take a handful of this parsley.
Okay, so what do we have next?
We're gonna take some of this garlic.
Okay.
Put those big bulbs right here into our food processor.
Got 2 cloves.
All right.
What else?
Now, a little sprig of dill.
A little sprig.
Well, that's it.
Okay.
We're using all of these ingredients to power the flavor, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so we've got dill, we've got parsley, we've got garlic, we've got onion.
What's
so
next?
Let's turn it on.
Oh, we're gonna do it right now?
Yeah.
That's it.
Okay, get it good.
See, this does all the heavy lifting for you.
You don't have to chop anything.
How's that look?
Perfect.
It's perfect?
Take it off.
Okay. Delicious. Delicioso.
I mean,
it does smell really good.
It smells incredible.
That's a lot of flavor.
That's gonna power our burgers.
We'll take the blade out.
All right, and then you're gonna use the spatula, Adrian. We're gonna put all of that right on top of our turkey. We've got 1 pound of 93 lean turkey.
Notice how I didn't waste any of it?
None.
0.
All right, now we're gonna take our 1 egg, put it right in there.
Okay.
A little extra 7 grams of protein from our egg here.
We do like the protein.
All right, now here's a unique step for this burger. We're gonna take our crumbled feta and we're gonna actually add it to the mix.
The whole
thing. This is a ½ cup of crumbled feta, and we're gonna add it right to the mix.
I love feta cheese. It's probably one of my favorites.
Feta cheese?
Yes.
Well, then you're gonna love this burger.
Everything. Yeah.
All right, pinch of salt, pinch of pepper.
Pepper.
And this is 1 teaspoon of oregano.
Okay.
Throw that right on top. And now you gotta get in there and get dirty.
With my hands?
With your hands.
This is
all these ingredients.
This is one of my favorite parts.
If your turkey burger feels a little bit too wet, you can add some breadcrumbs or even some almond flour, and that'll help round it out a little bit. If you don't love the idea of getting in there with your hands, you can always wear gloves, or you can do it with a spatula. You just gotta make sure that you really, really mix these ingredients.
Okay, how does this look right now?
I mean, it looks fantastic. How
do
you feel about it? You ready to make some patties?
We should make some patties.
All right.
So usually when I make these at home, I never actually add the feta inside the mix. I usually put it on top, and I've, sprinkled in a little bit of maybe dill or parsley, but this together I think is gonna be super tasty and potent.
So the feta is a little bit of a saltier cheese.
Right.
Very flavorful. And feta generally comes from sheep or goat, which can be a little bit easier on the digestion for people who don't want cow milk.
Okay, so let's make some patties.
All right, Adrian, we've got 1 pound of turkey burgers.
Okay.
We're gonna divide them into 4 patties.
4, I think I've made them even, but we'll see when they come out.
Little pro tip.
Yes.
When you get them on the grill, if you put a thumbprint into the middle of it, it won't expand the burger too much.
What?
Let's see.
Okay.
All right, you're on.
Thumbprint right in the middle.
All right, so I'm just gonna oil the grill pan for you just a little bit so that our burgers don't stick.
Okay, so now I put this down and thumb it right here in the middle. How much?
Like a thumbprint, good.
All right, so let's do one more.
Let's do it.
Okay, she's a little bit sticky. Oh, that smells really nice. Can you smell that?
I can smell that. It smells really nice.
All right, I'm gonna go wash these hands.
Please.
Unless you...
No, I'm good.
No, you sure?
I'm sure.
Okay, BRB.
All right, so your patties are gonna cook for about 4 to 5 minutes. Adrian, you're taking a really long time. I'm flipping your burgers for you. I want them to burn. All right, look at that. That crisp that we're getting right there.
I love that. So we'll cook these for about
4 to 5 minutes each side.
4 to 5 minutes each side.
Because of the feta, some of the parts of the burger may brown a little bit more, but that's great. It's gonna give you all the flavor.
All right.
All right, Adrian, while our burgers finish cooking,
okay,
you are gonna make one of our favorites, which I know you love from Italy.
I do.
All right, we're gonna make some labneh. You ready?
Okay, what are we doing?
All right, so what we have here is a 2% Greek yogurt.
Right.
We're gonna turn it into a really fantastic dip. You ready?
I'm ready.
Start with some olive oil.
Olive oil.
All right, about 1 tablespoon, give or take. You're gonna eye it while I flip these burgers. All right, while I flip these, you're gonna squeeze that lime right in there.
Okay.
Into our dip. Now you're gonna take a pinch of salt.
Pinch.
To your liking.
I'd probably do a little bit more than just a pinch.
I love a good amount of salt, right? All right, now we're gonna get the flavor from the dill.
Right.
So I want you to take a sprig of dill.
Okay.
And I want you to pull the dill leaves off of the stalk. But we're gonna chop the dill first. Pieces into our dip. There we go. This is the part you love, Adrian.
The chopping.
That's very therapeutic.
This This is why I like the job. We're gonna put that right in.
I'm gonna get it right in there.
Nice spoon.
Mix it up.
Okay.
All right, so this is a fun recipe to do with someone because obviously while I'm doing this part, you're doing this. Teamwork.
I love teamwork.
I mean,
split up the duties, you get double the things done.
And eat it together.
While you're flipping, the buns are very important.
Very important.
I like them toasted personally. Are you a toast buns kind of?
Toast the buns.
Okay, let's toast the buns.
Let's toast them. I love a good burger.
So do I. Burgers, so for me, burgers like comfort food. And I think everyone always thinks beef. I love turkey. Just because, like you said, it's a little bit more leaner, a little bit more healthier.
Turkey also picks up the flavor of whatever you cook it with, which is really cool because it can be so versatile every night.
Should we do a little taste test?
Yeah.
What do you think?
This needs more salt.
A little,
yeah.
Okay.
We need a little more pinch in there.
So like a hold. Adrian, give me a hold on the salt. Should I taste it now?
Yeah.
I'm gonna go on the side. Oh, I like that.
You ready to eat?
Always.
Let's do it.
All
so
right.
what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna take our burger and we're gonna add a little extra fiber, some healthy fats to it.
Okay.
We're gonna put it on a brioche bun. All right, Adrian, you ready to eat these burgers?
I'm ready.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
At home, you can do anything you'd like with your burger. You can put it onto a brioche bun, you can put it onto a fiber bread, you can put it onto a lettuce wrap. Personally, I think that the carbohydrates from the bun combined with the protein from the burger, and we're gonna add a little extra fiber with some cucumber slices and some pepper slices, round it out with some really good fats on an avocado slice. And I'm telling you, Adrian, we have a perfect meal here.
I like the crunch of cucumbers on anything.
I mean,
so I'm like I love the combo of like a protein and a salad.
We're gonna get messy in here.
Lay that right across. Can I add a
Let's
little
do
lettuce?
Let's do it.
People are always in my comments about, you're such a salad person. Yeah,
Are you such a salad person?
Love a salad.
I love a salad. Do you like hot sauce? All right, but we're forgetting one of the most important parts.
What's the most important part?
Let's do it. Best part. Let's take our dip, get it all over the top of that. We need a little more. Now, I like hot.
Hot. Like how hot?
Like I'm a hot sauce girl.
Like hot sauce on everything?
On everything.
Okay, so a little, just a little sriracha.
A little bit.
It's on my hand. It's all over the place.
It's
More?
go a long way. Come on, look at this burger. Adrian, look what we did. We've got a high protein, high fiber, good fats, lean Mediterranean turkey burger.
Looks delicious.
I mean, let's go.
I think we should try it.
If you eat this in one bite, I swear to God,
so
I'm
it's
gonna.
tiny. I usually
Come
would.
on.
Should I try half?
You
No,
could.
I'm just kidding.
Let's go. What are you thinking? Take your time.
This is so good.
All right, there you go. There you have our high protein, high fiber, Mediterranean turkey burgers with extra hot sauce, and I'm going to get some water.
Maybe a tissue.